This is a month's worth of viral LinkedIn content, and these are the 3 simple AI prompts I used to generate it in literally 10 minutes. And over the last year, I've seen the smartest of entrepreneurs use them to get ahead, generating leads, gaining new followers, and writing viral posts in seconds without sounding generic. So if you want to know their secret, then you need to watch this video. Look, every YouTube channel has told you to start using AI to write your content, and you should. And today I'm going to show you the best plug and play prompts that bring you the quickest results for your personal brand. So how do I know this? Well, I've written hundreds of viral and lead generating posts for myself, clients, and even some of the biggest brands that you'll see online on LinkedIn. I've also grown and scaled my own following to 170,000 in 2 years. So I can honestly tell you what works when it comes to content that builds a real and authentic brand while growing your following and increasing sales, and what doesn't. Creating content online has become a necessity, especially if you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or just starting out. And it's exactly how my friend Jody is driving leads daily for her new startup, and how my friend Izzy landed her dream role in fashion. And according to Forbes, by 2027, the creator economy is estimated to be worth $480 billion, meaning that your online personal brand becomes the employee that never sleeps as more and more people are online. It gives you the ability to be discovered 24/7 without being physically present. So before you go and hire an overpriced agency to do it for you, here's a 3-step ChatGPT prompting sequence you need to create content on LinkedIn consistently. And it all starts with positioning yourself as the #1 expert for your ideal client or audience. And my first step to doing this is identifying exactly what relevant and valuable content looks like for your specific business. Whether you're a coach, lawyer, accountant, or a brick and mortar business, figuring this out shouldn't be difficult. The problem with all these other AI content systems is that they tell you to focus on posting behind the scenes content or giving value. This is actually too broad, fluffy, and doesn't add any authority or trust. And sure, your loyal customer wants to know what you're doing after work, but when you're creating content on platforms like LinkedIn or even X with billions of users who don't know, like, or trust you, you need to make sure that your first impression counts, meaning that you need to understand most people don't know who you are or what you do. To fix this, we're going to hop onto ChatGPT and insert the first prompt to build your unique content system. For this, we're going to be using my friend Mark, who is in B2B, as an example. The prompt is, give me 5 themes or topics for social media for my B2B growth company. For example, my entrepreneur friend who runs an agency has 1. Personal branding, 2. Copywriting, 3. Entrepreneurship, and 4. Sales. As her content pillars and her business and brand are around that, what would they be for me? For a little bit more context, here's my mission statement. And then you add the mission statement. For this, we're gonna add Mark's. We build a full service marketing campaign based around virtual events that help you dominate your space and generate leads for your business. All I did for this is go to his website and literally grab the first line I saw. It's so simple. Okay, now we let it generate. This prompt is optimized to give you the almighty content pillars we all know you need to create content on LinkedIn and any other social media platform, without the cringy fluff or the corporate jargon that you can smell from a mile away. Now you have 4 amazing content pillars with a lot of detail too. The next part is creating near expert level content based on your new pillars. This took me hours to engineer, so pay attention and implement it. Okay, for this one, we're going to be using real LinkedIn posts so ChatGPT can have an accurate baseline to create content to the level that you're looking for. Now, the second prompt is, start publishing new blog content. I see too many websites with hundreds of blog posts that get no traffic, yet they're still publishing 4+ new posts per month. If you already have existing content, do this instead. Then after that, we continue the prompt saying, make sure the hook follows the following format: a bold statement that is no longer than 8 words in sentence 1, a sentence that starts with the words here are and the number to start a step-by-step listicle for sentence 2. Please organize the hooks in a table that is for the month of September and make sure I have 20 post hooks. And then we generate. Now you can change the hook on something else you liked. I used this tweet that went viral on LinkedIn and Twitter, so it's validated and hence why I'm using it here. But feel free to change it and adapt it to your liking depending on the tone of voice and niche that you're going for. Okay, so this is where the magic happens. Most people struggle with 2 things, and that is ideation and validating their content. This prompt right here just cut your writing time from 10 hours to 10 minutes. The hooks we created are great, and what's even better is the sequence. You're making a bold statement and then introducing a solution, which is exactly what good content does. And to add the cherry on top, we use this 3rd prompt. But before I reveal the last prompt, after you watch this video, there's a link in the description with these 3 prompts so you can copy and paste them and use them immediately. Plus, I've added a hook swipe file in case you get stuck for ideas. And while you're down there, please hit the subscribe button. It helps the channel grow and it helps me validate my obsession with ChatGPT as a 26-year-old girl who doesn't really leave her house. Thanks. Okay, now choose one of the hooks you like the most from the ones that you generated and insert this next prompt onto ChatGPT. For this prompt, we're gonna use the hooks that we just generated on the second prompt. Using these first 2 lines, most webinars are snooze fests. Here are 3 steps to make yours buzzworthy. I want you to write me a viral LinkedIn post that is 500 characters long, make the sentences short and concise and no longer than 8 words per sentence, but also switch up the formatting so it's easy to read. Please no hashtags and make sure that the posts follow this format. Please make sure that the post has a bulleted list in it. Please use the following 3 posts as an example, but do not use any of the topics from these posts to create the new post I've asked you to create. And then use that 3 posts with awesome formatting. I've added the 3 below so you can see them. And then you press enter and boom. Amazing content for you generated in seconds. A zero fluff, no BS educational post ready to go. This is honestly ridiculously good and very close to expert level. I've written hundreds of posts over the last 2 years, some for myself, some for clients, and some for even some of my friends. This would have saved me so much time and effort when trying to grow their personal brands and even mine. But before I finish, there's one key thing you need to know. In order to become elite online, get all the leads, all the followers, all the authority, whatever your goal may be, you need to be elite at writing. These prompts may get you 69% there, but if you want to outperform everyone who now has this prompt, log on to LinkedIn or Twitter or even TikTok and pay attention at the hooks that hook you in. The ones that make you read, watch, and even save. Write them down and then tweak your post so the hooks that you're using resemble the hooks that you yourself stop your scroll for. This exercise also helps you learn as you go instead of just learning it all before posting anything. You don't need to start to be an expert, but you do need to start to be an expert. And a big motto of mine is learn, do, not just learn. But of course, in a world where AI is becoming a part of our day-to-day, there are AI tools to help you with this as well. So check out this video where I reveal my secret AI tool that helps me write content even faster. See you there.